In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Google Calendar with Apple Calendar on your iPhone. This process ensures that your events and schedules are synchronized seamlessly between the two platforms, making it easier for you to manage your time with just one calendar view. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open the Settings app on your iPhone. With so many settings available, it can sometimes be a maze, but don't worry, we'll navigate this together. Once you're in Settings, scroll down until you find the section labeled Apps. This is where various app settings are clustered, conveniently keeping all your essential apps in one place. Next, keep scrolling until you see Mail. Tap on this option, and it will open up a new set of settings specifically for your mail accounts. Now, look for the Mail Accounts section. This part of the Settings app handles all the different email accounts you've added to your device. We're going to add your Google account to this list. Select the Google option from the list. By doing this, you're choosing to add your Google account, which includes your Google Calendar data, to your iPhone. Upon selecting Google, you'll be prompted to enter your email address in the Sign In field. Make sure to enter it accurately to avoid any login issues. Once you've entered your email, click Next. The iPhone will then ask for your Google account password. Enter your password carefully to ensure you gain access to your account. After you've entered your password, click Next once again. This step is crucial as it completes the login process, connecting your Google account to your iPhone. Now you want to navigate back to the home screen of your iPhone. From here, find and open the Calendar app, the hub for organizing all your events and appointments. At the bottom of the Calendar app screen, you'll see a Calendars option. Tap on this to view all your connected calendars. Here, you'll find a list of all the calendars linked to your iPhone. To keep your calendar view focused, uncheck or remove all the calendars except the newly added Google Calendar. This ensures your calendar is clean and only displays events from your Google account, eliminating confusion from duplicate or unwanted entries. After you've organized your calendar list, click Done. And voila, your Google Calendar should now be fully synced with your Apple Calendar. By following these steps, you've integrated two powerful scheduling tools, making sure that all of your important dates and commitments are easy to see in one convenient place. Enjoy a simplified, more efficient way to manage your schedule.